All right, now we're on slide number 8, and we're talking about Matson's first winter in Minnesota. And the question that I want you to answer based off this reading says, describe what Hans Matson's first winter in Minnesota was like. Be as specific as possible. This means I want you to, using sentences, tell me as much as you can about what his first winter in Minnesota was like. Please put it in your own words, though. All right, and do not copy straight out of the textbook. All right, let's jump over to the textbook, and here we go at the very top, that first paragraph.
The first winter in Minnesota. Matson worked most of the winter in Red Wing, chopping firewood to fuel the stoves and engines of steamboats on the Mississippi River. In January 1854, he and his brother-in-law S.I. Willard decided to travel to the land they had claimed. They wanted to chop down some trees there so they would have enough logs to build a house in the spring. They set out with 2 other men and a team of horses pulling a sleigh. The weather was mild when they started, but overnight the temperature dropped. Matson and the others learned how dangerous a Minnesota winter could be.
All right, we're going to look at the italicized or middle paragraph here.
We soon found that going over the wild trackless prairie against the wind with a thermometer 40 degrees below zero was a struggle for life. And in order to keep warm, we took turns to walk or run behind the sleigh. In taking his turn, Mr. Willard suddenly sat down in the snow and would not stir. We returned to him, and it required all our power of persuasion to make him take his seat in the sleigh again. He felt very comfortable, he said, and would soon catch up with us again if we only would have left him alone. If we had followed his advice, he never would have left his cold seat again.
At this point, hop back over to slide 8 and start filling in the answers to that question.